Guys, sometimes in marriage, you have to do what you don't want to do. There's a compromise. My husband asked for chicken feet. And of course, I'm going to do it. So here I am, cutting the nails off the chicken feet so that I can prepare to clean them. And if you eating chicken feet straight out of the pack, you nasty. It's a whole process that goes on because I researched it. Okay? You gotta clean these babies. So here I am with my lime. I'm gonna put some sea salt in there, coarse sea salt, and rub the fire out of these things so that they'll be clean. Not only did he request chicken feet, but he also wants chicken gizzards. And normally chicken gizzards can be kind of tough. But listen, don't eat these things straight out of the pack. Look at all of that stuff. You gotta clean that stuff. You can't consume everything straight out of the pack. Clean your meat. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to go through each one of the gizzards one by one, cleaning them. And cleaning them again. Oh, and did I say clean them again? Yeah. Make sure that stuff clean. You've got to consume it. Then we're going to get some yellow and green bell pepper along with some garlic. And we're going to chop it up coarsely. Put the chicken feet on the boil. We're going to add some of the bell peppers and garlic to that, and some of it to the gizzards equally. And I trust and believe the same seasons I started off using, I'm going to use them throughout the process.